I'm in the world famous wagon wheel flea market, and just want to show a couple things. I picked up this vintage Kmart dolly, undercar dolly. It's pretty sweet. Made in manufactured in Troy, Michigan. It's pretty sick. But as I was coming back to the car, I spotted something even more interesting. Wasn't expecting this. So I was in the walking back to my car, and I heard something, and I just knew what it was. I knew exactly. As soon as it came in the parking lot, I could tell the sound. I just love seeing these things out and about, driving around. Like, people still take care of them and use them, and it's pretty sweet. Looks like maybe 90s, 91, 92, 93. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. It's pretty sweet. A lot of cool stuff here at the flea market. It's this is one of the biggest flea markets in the Southeast, the Wagon Wheel Flea Market, and it's Seminole, Florida. Seminole, Largo, Clearwater area. But yeah, I'll show you a couple other things. Came here looking for some car parts and stuff. I was here about a month ago and saw some car parts, but I wanted to come back and take a little more time to look at it, what I could find. So let's take a look. All right, you need some airsoft. Or no, this is not airsoft. These are actual BB guns, pellet guns.
I gotta charge for the videos.
He's gonna charge me for the video. Yeah, it'd be cool in a garage. Yeah, you put them in your garage or something.
I've seen quite a few.
Yeah. I don't know why, but I like vintage stuff. I don't know, it's so cool. Interests me. All right, let's go check on the wife, see if she spent all my money.
Abel, come on.
You could seriously get lost in here. It's endless.
Oh, Jesus.
So how much money did you spend?
I've spent $9.25.
Me, 50 cents. How cheap. I haven't found something yet that's really like.
She just found 2 brushes.
Oh, yes.
I bought asparagus, strawberries, nectarines, popcorn. We bought popcorn. You want some?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Man, you could do some damage with one of those.
This spot last Sunday, figuring that the road would still be open, but they called on Wednesday I didn't get the phone call, so it's just a mess.
Getting some ices.
Complaining about my music today, though. So
There's nothing wrong with that music.
well, yeah, but if you're a vendor right there with it blaring in your ear, sometimes they get upset about it.
So what was the deal? So I know what to pay.
I don't know. He said 7 something for.
Oh no! Well, if
I don't know.
it's just you two ladies get them, it'll just be $5.
So you don't want
No,
it?
I'm good. I'm good. All right, guys. So we just left the flea market. I just wanted to show that fox body that I saw. That was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. In Florida here, it's been raining the last week, so I haven't been able to drive my car with the drag radials. It would be kind of dangerous. So, but yeah, this is gonna do it for this video. And
Like, share, and subscribe. And my mouth is blue, so.
do it again.
No, I forgot my mouth is blue. It doesn't show.
All right, honey. You just
Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
That
wasn't good.
I think she does it better than me, but maybe not. See ya.